This is going to be a video tutorial on how to disable auto start programs in Windows 10. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To disable auto start programs in Windows 10, there's different ways to do it. The way that I'm going to show you, you want to go down to the very bottom, down to an empty area on your taskbar. You want to right click and you want to open up the Task Manager. Task Manager is right here. I'm going to click on Task Manager. That opens up my Task Manager. Now on the Task Manager, you have tabs across the top up here. The one that you want to click on is Startup. I'm going to click on Startup. And then these are your automatic starting programs right in here. Like this top one here, Canva. I don't want that to automatically start when I boot up my machine. It says Enabled. I'm going to right click on that and I'm going to go to Disable. I have disabled that from automatically starting. You would have to go through each one of your programs and check what you want to automatically start and what you don't want to automatically start, and you just simply change it by clicking on Enable and go to Disable. Thanks for watching.